Hey guys, I ordered this anti-blue light protection film for my laptop from Amazon, and I'm going to show you how to install it in less than 5 minutes. So it comes 3 in 1 pack. The quality feels very good. The film is thin, lightweight, and designed specifically to filter a portion of the blue light emitted from your laptop screen. Let's install this together. If you're staring at your screen for hours without break, this product would definitely make your screen time more comfortable. One thing I also like is that it helps protect your screen itself from scratches. So you're definitely getting two benefits in one product. So this film comes with 2 labels, the black and the red label. So the black label is the front. So you gently pull off the red label, which is going to stick on your laptop screen. And that's it. The screen protector is fully installed. The display still looks sharp, but now there's an added layer of protection and blue light filtering. The difference may not be dynamic at first glance, but during long work sessions, your eyes will definitely appreciate the extra comfort. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried a blue light screen protector before. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.